Good morning, everybody. Mike Vacchi, Princetontrader.com, here with your Friday market webcast. Well, upward and upward we march. Bottom line. We talked yesterday about, like it or not, all dips are buys. All dips are buys until news or something breaks this cycle. People are fighting price, but every one of these down moves or every one of these consolidation areas ends up getting bought, and then they drag the unwilling shorts and the unwilling longs behind the bus to higher highs and higher highs and higher highs. So the high of the moment is 41.72 half. And we've come a long way since we resolved out of this little area that we talked about back on the 31st of March. So here's the hourly chart. You got mid-band support. I just keep doing this because it's just this big rinse and repeat. So there was your low from Wednesday, the last hour of the day, and they really haven't looked back. You had a little consolidation here and up. So wasn't an awful it was a decent enough trading day yesterday. We were able to get a few things done, but nothing crazy because it's just kind of plodding along. It's just really kind of plodding along. And when it makes these highs, it tends to retrace them and bring them back. So it's been a good week. It hasn't been a blowout week, but it's been a good week. So let's talk about today. 41.61 is your hourly mid-band. You've got VWAP at 62, hourly mid 61, proprietary moving average 65 half, 5-minute mid 68. Everything is tilted to the upside. I'll be interested to see if they want to bring it back, maybe test the 5-minute mid-band and then run away with it. We shall see. I'm keeping a very open mind. We're flat right now. We were long, and we just kept getting chopped out last night in that 58 area. We had this big consolidation, and then they brought everybody back to 54 and change at like 3 o'clock in the morning, and then they walked it up from there. So if you're across the pond, that's great. But if you're on the East Coast, asleep in your bed, not so much. But keep a very open mind and just understand, organically this tape wants to go higher. If you don't get news, it's not really going to come down. And if it does, the bears are having great difficulty with any kind of downside price follow through. So it's what I told you yesterday. You can be short, but you got to take profits. You have to recognize a situation where it's not working, and you got to take the rest of your profits, wait for a couple of higher lows, and then you got to be in there long. You got to be in there long. The last thing I'll mention, and I'll let you go, is we were talking yesterday about fighting price. We were talking yesterday about what most traders out there do. What most traders out there do is spend their entire existences being wrong for the one time they're going to be right. That's never made sense to me. We do the opposite. We look at the trend. If this is a 5-minute chart, you'd never short it. Why would you short it? We look at the trend and we understand that the trend is heading upward. We look for opportunities to buy. We're much more focused on buying the dips than we are focused on trying to fade some top, okay? And so we're right and right and right and right and right. When we're wrong, that's, I want to be right and then wrong once, not wrong and then right once. That's the difference between the contrarian mentality, which is a very difficult way to exist as a trader, versus what we do. And when you're wrong after trading with the trend and what price wants to do, it's first of all, it's just the cost of doing business, and if you're risk responsible, it's not a big deal at all. Second of all, it's a red flag. It's like, okay, are things changing? Are things changing? So we were short for this move, but we were long into it. And then you say to yourself, well, maybe things are changing. Nope. We gotta get back long. Nope, gotta get back long. Be right, be wrong once, learn from it, take those profits, and then see if it wants to continue on. When it's finally done, it's going to drop, it's going to go up a little bit, and then they're just going to eviscerate all those sleepy dip buyers that are just reflexive. But don't spend your trading existence fighting price, being wrong all the way because you want to be right once. Why bat, Why bat 100 when you can, when you can bat a hell of a lot higher than that? All right. Everybody have a great day. Have a great weekend. Be safe, be healthy, take care, trade them well. Come learn how to trade this stuff with us. Come learn how to be consistently successful. It's a great group of people. Come check us out. Take care. Talk to you Monday. Follow us over on Twitter, Instagram, and Snapchat at Princetontrader. Check us out on Facebook and join us for a free trial at www.princetontrader.com. Trade them well.